Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
It is my
Good
first
evening, sir.
counseling of BCS 041. BCS 041 actually consists of 4 blocks. Today and tomorrow, I will try to complete block 1. Okay. Block 1 also consists of 4 units. All of you have study materials.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Block 1 consists of 4 units. Unit 1, basics of data communication. Unit 2, modulation and encoding. Unit 3, multiplexing and switching. And Unit 4, communication mediums. Today, I will try to complete Unit 1 and Unit 4. Tomorrow, I will complete Unit 2 and Unit 3. First, Unit 1. Do you know, have you any idea what is computer network? Hello, have you any idea what is computer network? Hello? Hello? Please response. Am I audible? Please response.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, okay, okay. My whiteboard visible? Hello?
Yes, sir, your white voice also visible.
Okay, okay. What is computer network? Actually, a computer network consists of two or more autonomous computers that are linked together. Suppose in your computer lab there are 5 computers. Computer 1, computer 2, computer 3 and computer 4. Four computers in your computer lab. And there is only one printer which is connected in this computer. From this computer anyone can print different document with this printer. But if computer 1, computer 2 and computer 3 want to print something, then how it is possible? Hello, then
Sir,
how it
all
is
these
possible?
computers.
No, suppose there is no any computer network. Now how they can print something? One option, either you can copy data of first computer to into a pen drive and insert this pen drive. Someone try to join till now. Just wait. Okay. And insert this pen drive in this computer and you can print data with this printer. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir, okay.
Another option,
Okay,
you
okay.
can another option you can disconnect this printer, connect this printer in this computer printer matter, then disconnect from this computer printer, connect this printer in this computer and print data from this computer. These are not reliable. Okay. For smooth running, you have another option, that is you can purchase another 3 printer for 3 computers. Then more cost required. If the price of printer 20,000, then for 4 computer you have need 80,000. Okay. So the best option is you can connect all these computer. Okay, you can connect all these computer in such a way that all data, information and others or device shareable. If you connect all of this computer in such a way that suppose computer 1 can access all data of computer 2, computer 3 and computer 4, and not only data, computer 1 also access different device of rest of the computers. Suppose computer one, computer one has no any DVD drive, but computer 3 has one DVD drive. Then computer 1 can access the DVD drive of computer 3. If you insert any DVD in this DVD drive, then computer 1 can access or read or play movie from this DVD drive. And also all of these computers share only share single printer. This is called computer network. So a computer network consists of two or more autonomous computer that are linked together in order to share resources, file, printer, modem, and rest of all are resource. They can share resources, share application software like MS Office, allow electronic communication, increase productivity. So if you share only single printer with from rest of the all computers, then too much cost you can save. Only one printer you can use, rest of the you can use all computer can use this printer. Okay, hello.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes,
now
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you are not audible now.
सर कहाँ पे गए?
Okay, now clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For network problem. Okay, I'm again saying all of this I already mentioned. All of this computer may be inside a room, or inside a building, or inside a campus, or inside a city, or inside a country, or inside a continent, or whole world. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inside a room, inside a building, or inside a campus mean they are located
LAN.
within 1
Local
kilometer.
area network.
Yes, within 1 kilometer. They are called LAN, local area network. Within a city means metropolitan area.
Metropolitan area network.
Yes. Within a country or continents. Within a
WAN,
within whole
wide area
country,
network.
one WAN. Within whole world called international network. Within whole world called, just next page, international network. International network. Till now someone try to join. Okay. International network. Here inter from international and net from network. So internet. Okay. So
Okay,
that
sir.
all the computer of whole world connected with each other, as we can share data. It is called international network or internet. From one computer located, their server located in America, you can, with the help of internet, you can store their data from their computer to your computer. Okay. So these are actually what is the basic basic computer network, and different types of computer network. And the main characteristics of network I already mentioned: share resources like file, like printers, like modem, fax machine, different software, and allow electronic communication also. Increase productivity and reliability. Different types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN, internet. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
what are the goal of the networks? Cost reduction by sharing hardware and software resources. Provide high reliability by having multiple sources of supply. Provide an effective means of transport for large volume of data among various locations. Provide inter-process communication. Reduction in delay driving data transport. Increase productivity and others. The computer network actually, we are all using in our lab LAN, local area network. It works in two ways. One is peer to peer, another is client server. Okay, one is peer to peer, another is client server. Suppose here 5 computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5. They are connected in such a way that all computers use all device and data. Suppose computer A, computer B, computer C, computer D, computer A. Computer A can use data of computer B. Computer B also use data of rest of the computers and their resources. It is very simple network. This types of network is called peer to peer. Peer to peer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You try to remember when you are student of class 5, then your class more than 200 students. Okay. If there are only 5 students in your class, no problem to control all of you. But when number of students increases, suppose in your class 50 students, then you need to control. For this, one students were monitor. Okay, they control all of the students. Can you remember it? Class monitor.
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Yes. Suppose
Yes, sir.
suppose number of student increases 100 student, then require 2 monitor. In that case, computer network, suppose only 5 or 6 or 10 computer connected in a computer network, then controlling not required. Controlling not required. Everyone can transfer data independently. But when number of computer increases, suppose from 5 to 100, 5 to 100, 100 computer connected, and now in one computer a printer present. 10 computer may be required to print something simultaneously. Then some problem maybe arises. If in this computer only two, in a network only 3 computer, if one computer print, this computer can inform rest of the 2 computers user that please you don't use this printer now. After my work completed, you can use. It is not a problem. But when 100 or 200 computer connected in a computer network, then it is not very easy task. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
in that case, like monitor types, one thing required. Here we can use one computer as main computer. This computer is called server. And all printer, all data, all important devices are connected in this computer. The rest of the computer can, this computer control all of the computer. Computer, suppose here, if computer B send data to computer C, not possible. Computer B first request to server, and server then take data from C and send this data to B. So all of this controlled by one main computer. This is called server, and rest of the computer is called client. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is called client server system. Everyone now always use computer network. Here we are client, and the data where stored in website or in other places, it is server. Just we are all client, use or share or download data from this server. Okay, it is also a client server system. Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so every communication system have some basic thing. One is sender. Just wait, someone now try to join. Okay, well, now we'll see. First is sender, who can send data. Second is receiver, who can receive data. Third is medium, who can carry data. Okay, and the last is signal. Data from one computer to another computer goes in the form of signal. Okay, sender can send data to receiver by this medium in the form of signals. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these signals actually are of two types. One is analog signals and another is
Digital signal.
digital signal. Can you tell what is analog signal and what is digital signal? Have you any idea?
Yes, sir. May I say?
Tell.
Sir, analog signals a sine wave which varies from 0 to its ultimate point or
Okay.
maximum limit again to 0, and means it oscillates between positive limit to negative limit. And digital signals are those signals which has 5-volt input and 0 input. That means they are binary coded.
Okay. Actually,
Sir,
5
can I
means
say in
1.
short?
Yes, 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 yes.
Sir, can I say in short?
Yes, yes, tell.
Sir, analog signal is a continuous signal. which represents physical measurements, and digital signals are discrete time signals generated by
Okay.
digital modulation.
Okay. Please, all of you, just now, please, all of you, type your enrollment number and your name one by one. Okay, one by one, type your enrollment number and name. It is required for your attendance purpose. Okay. Now I am continuing. Suppose actually digital signal like square waves. Either zero, either absent of a signal means zero, or present of a signal one. Either present or absent. Some good quality signal, more good quality signal, more good quality signal, not that. Either full high quality signal present means one, or no signal means zero, absent of a signal, 0 and 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we think present of a signal means 1 and absent of a signal means 0, so the data between 0 and 1 means suppose 0 means absent of a signal and 1 means present of a signal. So data or value between 0 and 1 means not a high quality signal, not a low quality signal. Some near, just you see skin here. Suppose it is 1. It is 1 and it is 0. Suppose the signal is like that. Means in this portion signal is very high quality. In this signal near high quality, not too much good, not too much bad. Here signal near 0 means very low quality signal. Here signal actually lost, no signal. So the value between this signal, take value between 0 and 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is called analog signal, sine wave. And if like that, either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1 means digital signal. Suppose voltage. Voltage not always 200 volt, 220 volt constant. It may be varies, so it is analog signal. Okay, our voice, analog signal. But computer data, either 0 or 1, so it is. Hello, so it is.
Analog signal.
No, computer data.
Digital signal.
Computer data, digital signal. Okay, either present of a signal or absent of a signal. Suppose, do you remember long time before you use this type of television antenna? Just you try to remember. Can you remember? You see this picture. These types of television antenna. Hello.
Yes, sir, we have seen.
Okay. These types of television antenna, from here one cable. Suppose this antenna is was located rooftop, and here a TV. Now you try to move this antenna in different position and fix or identify this position where the high quality picture comes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First you move some position antenna, the signal is no signal, just dot 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 dot. So the signal is near 0. Then you move some in some direction, good quality signal comes. Then you again move, very low quality signal. then you again move medium quality picture, then you again move very low quality picture, then you again move very high quality picture. So the all of this portion, you just try to understand this portion is very near to 1. Okay, so you fix the antenna in this position. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
these types of signal is analog or digital?
Sir,
Analog, sir.
sir,
Analog signal. Tell.
sir,
Tell.
sir,
Yes, tell.
sir, please repeat this analog system. I cannot understand this topic.
Okay, okay,
Please
okay.
repeat it.
Okay. Suppose it is an very old types of antenna. You try to remember. Okay. This antenna is situated
Yes, sir.
located on your rooftop. Okay. And here your TV. Okay.
Okay.
It is 1 means high quality signal. It is 0 means exact low quality signal or absent of a signal. Now you move this antenna. Just you round this and or move this antenna. Then you see very low quality signal comes. Raster and very low
Yeah, yeah,
quality
yeah.
snow comes. So it is near to 0. Next you again move, all vanishes, no picture found. So exact 0, no picture found. Then you again move, you see in this position medium quality picture comes. Then you again move, picture goes away. Then you again move, very high quality picture comes. So the signal is, you move this antenna and the signal quality change like that. So it is the value between 0 and 1. These value are between 0 and 1. Means the value between absent of a signal or a high quality signal. So it is called analog signal. Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
But
understand this topic.
but today's system, a types of disk antenna, very small types of disk antenna used in your rooftop, and here is a LNB. It is fixed, and one cable comes, and it actually attached to LNB, and LNB attached to your TV. Now, if you move this antenna in all positions, no signal found, means 0. Only in one fixed position, high quality signal found. So it is either 0 or either 1. Low quality, more high quality, super quality, this concept is not in here. Either all signal absent, 0, or either high quality signal, 1 present. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This signal is called digital signal. So the form of this signal is like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now all of you clear what is analog signal and what is digital signal. So what are the basic differences? Question comes in your exam, what are the basic differences between digital signal and analog signal? First point, digital signal is actually square wave. Analog signal is sine wave.
Sine wave.
Next point,
So digital
signals.
signal is either 0 or 1. Analog signal
Okay,
is continuous.
continuous. More values between any value between 0 and 1. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
which signal is high quality?
Sir, digital signal.
High quality. Okay. Now you see, you know, all digital signal means two concepts, 0 and 1. And analog signal means many concepts, many values, more value between 0 and 1. Okay. So which circuit will be simpler? Simple circuit, which circuit? Digital or analog?
So digital will be simple because it has
Because
two
it is
values.
only two concepts in many values. Analog, so not simple. Which types of circuits low cost? Based on two circuits, so simple, so low cost.
So digital
Based on,
circuit will be low cost.
yes, analog signal based on more and more values, so it is not simple, so it is costly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the case for data transmission, digital is best, but for voice transmission, analog is best. Now I will discuss data transmission. Actually, data transmission are of two types. One is serial transmission, another is parallel transmission. Do you know what is serial transmission and what is parallel transmission? Any idea? Serial transmission or parallel transmission? Hello.
Sir, may I try, sir?
Right, tell.
Sir, serial transmission, its terminology signifies that it is a sequential transmission. Parallel
Okay.
transmission means the consecutive data are transferred simultaneously depending on the transaction of the data.
Okay, very good. Just you try to understand. Suppose a bridge, okay, only one thin bridge. Wait, just wait. Only one very, my skin is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only one very thin bridge. Here is a river. It is a bridge, only one thin bridge. So thin that only one man can go from this place to this place. Here, 10 person waiting. So how they goes? How they first person from this place to this place. Then second person. So means it is one by one. It is one by one. Serially. One by one serially. From this place to this place. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay.
For data transmission, only one line for data. So if you want to transfer data means 5 actually means binary form 101. Okay. If your computer support 8 bit, then 5 means more 5 bits, 50. If you want to transmit this data from this place to this place, first 1, then 0, then 1. So 1 by 1. Or for 8 bit, if you use 8 lines, here if you for 10%, if you use very wide bridge, so they are go simultaneously. Okay, not one by one. They can go parallelly. All are same time simultaneously. It is parallel transmission. Okay. Hello. So for serial transmission, only one line required. For parallel transmission, more line required. So which system are expensive, serial or parallel?
Parallel.
Speed, high speed, parallel also.
Yes, sir. High speed.
So for long distance, when you transfer data from one place to another in long distance, then more wire not possible to use. In that case, if for long distance transmission you use parallel transmission, and from very for short distance you use serial transmission. Okay, these are the basic differences between serial transmission and parallel transmission. Serial transmission, now someone try to join. Okay, serial transmission are also of two types. One is
Sir,
asynchronous.
I am a bit confused. May I ask
Okay,
something?
okay, okay, tell.
Sir, parallel transmission, you said that it is reliable than serial transmission for data communication. So I think parallel
For in
transmission will
in parallel
pose
transmission
error.
in long distance serial
Acha.
transmission better.
Acha.
For in
Okay,
long
sir.
distance 100 or 10 or 8 or 64, where if you want use it is too much expensive will be. Okay, so for long distance data transmission serial better, or for small distance, limited distance or short distance parallel. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
serial transmission are of two types. One is synchronous and another is asynchronous.
Sir, you are not audible.
ওই পুষ্পক, রাত্রেবেলায় ফোন করিস, তোর নাম্বার লাগছে না।
ঠিক আছে ভাই, করছি করছি, অফিস শেষ হলে মেসেজ করিস একবার।
Hello, clear? Some network problem. Hello, clear?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Here.
Okay. Serial transmission actually are of two types. One is synchronous and another is asynchronous transmission. Can you tell what is synchronous and what is asynchronous?
Sir, I think synchronous is scheduled transmission, whereas asynchronous is not scheduled.
Actually, synchronous and asynchronous, just you try. Okay, serial transmission, I already mentioned two types, asynchronous transmission and synchronous transmission. The purpose of the asynchronous transmission, the purpose of the scheme is to avoid the timing problem. It is done by not sending uninterrupted stream of bits. Instead, one character of data is transmitted at a time, where each character is 5 to 8 bit in length. When no character is transmitted, the line between transmitter and receiver is in an idle state. This state is represented by binary 1. This is called non-return 0 level. Physically, this level is characterized by the presence of a negative voltage on the line. The beginning of a character is signed by a start bit. Suppose you want to transmit 1. Before 1, you send a start bit, then you transmit the original data 1, then you stop. You send stop bit, means completed. One send. Then again you send start bit, then another bit, then stop bit. So before and after of each bit, you should send one start bit and one stop bit. It is asynchronous transmission. And synchronous transmission, in synchronous transmission, a block of bits is transmitted without start and stop bits. The bit stream is combined into longer frames. So the basic difference between asynchronous transmission and synchronous transmission, first point, start and stop bit reduce efficiency in asynchronous. Synchronous has a higher efficiency. Second point, in asynchronous transmission, a character can be transmitted at random times, but in synchronous, characters are transmitted into block for transmission. Next point, variable idle time between characters, no idle time between characters in synchronous because there is no any start and stop bit. In asynchronous transmission, there is no limit on block length, but in synchronous transmission, there is a block length is fixed. These are the basic differences between synchronous transmission and asynchronous transmission. Now, I will tell data transmission mode. Actually, it is means the direction from data. Suppose here computer A, here sender A, here receiver B. Only one path
Excuse me, sir.
present.
Can you tell
Sir, your
once again
screen is not
synchronous?
visible.
Okay. Just screen not
I have
visible.
a
Okay.
confusion on synchronous transmission. Can you please tell it once again?
Okay. Synchronous or asynchronous. Okay. In synchronous transmission, one path, this data, block of data transmit simultaneously. Suppose first this block 1 0 1 1 1. Next again some block 0 1 1 0. Which block and which block when goes? It depends on some protocols and operating system. It is called synchronous. But in the case of asynchronous, here first bit is first one start bit, then this one, then stop bit, then again start bit, then this value, then stop bit, then again start bit, then stop bit. So before and after of each bit, first start bit and after stop bit, in between the data, it is asynchronous. In synchronous, no start and stop bit. Okay, clear now, asynchronous and synchronous?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now data transmission mode. Data transmission mode actually means data transmission direction. There are three data transmission mode. One is simplex, another is half duplex, and another is full duplex. Suppose duplicate slide. Just 1 second. Close. No. Just 1 second. Okay. Here sender A, skin clear. My skin is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sender
Yes, sir.
A, sender B, only one direction from A to B. Data in this mode, data is transferred in one direction only. Here A to B, never B to A possible, never in the opposite direction. It is suitable for device like receive only printer. These devices do not transmit information. Suppose you type data, insert data from keyboard. You type some data in keyboard, data transfer from keyboard to computer, but the opposite thing, no opposite direction, computer to keyboard, not possible. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In one direction, it is the example of simplex, another is half duplex. In this mode, data is transferred in both directions but not simultaneously. Here A to B and again opposite B to A, not simultaneously, and two paths required. First A to B, after completion of data transfer from A to B, then from B to A, not same time, not possible. It is half duplex. Okay. Wireless
Okay,
communication
sir.
system, walkie-talkie in police station use this mode. Next, full duplex. A, B. Data transfer in both direction simultaneously. It is called full duplex. In this transmission, data is transferred simultaneously in both directions. Many synchronous protocol required for full duplex transmission. Here data is transmitted in, suppose example, normal telephone system. From both ends, you can speak simultaneously. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So these are basic first chapter. And another thing is protocol. Have you any idea about protocol? What is protocol?
Sir, simply speaking,
Sir,
protocol is a set of rules.
Next you tell.
sir, protocol is a set of rules, that's okay, that governs the computer communications.
For computer network, you have needs this. Okay. Okay. Set of rules. So for data communication smoothly, you have need some set of rules. These rules are actually called protocol. All of you are right. Different types of protocol available. Mainly we use two protocol model. One is OSI. OSI full form. OSI full form. Open System Interconnect. Okay. OSI full form. Open System Interconnect. And TCP/IP full call. Transmission Control Protocol. Internet Protocol. We will discuss it in your later block in details. Just now, just you know, OSI model has actually 5 layers, 7 layers. Okay. In OSI model, there are 7 layers. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Physical layer is the first layer. The physical layer is the first reference model. It is also the layer first. It is also the lower layer. This layer interfaces directly with the physical media. This layer physically connects two or several devices. The physical layer also supports both half and full duplex communication through either serial or parallel data path. The physical layer has 4 basic tasks. First, it defines the mechanical characteristics of communication device interfaces. It carries electrical signals corresponding to data. It governs the functional logic of electrical signal generated. It governs protocol to properly support the communication through physical media. Actually, we will discuss it in full details in later or next classes. The second layer is data link layer. This is the second reference model layer. The data link layer is responsible for establishing an error-free communication path between computers over the physical channel. This layer is responsible for the transfer of data across the link. The important feature of data link layer are error correction and frame sequencing. When error are detected, this layer requests for retransmission. It also keeps the delivered data in the same sequential order of. So the first, if in simple way we can say, the physical layer actually transfer data, responsible for transfer data from one computer to one computer in 0-1 formatted. And data link layer control error control and detection and flow control. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
I will discuss it in next chapter in details.
Okay,
Next
sir.
is network layer. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next is third layer is network layer. Network layer is the third reference model layer. This layer sets up a logical path between the source and the destination computer of the network. The message to be transmitted is first brought into packets at this layer. Then it transforms sequencing and error control of these packets. Thus, the routing decisions are taken at the network layer. The network layer handles the routing functions for data moving from one open system to another. This layer provides the addressing necessary to relay data to immediate nodes or systems. And the fourth layer is transport layer. Transport layer is the fourth difference model layer. Once a path is established between the sending and receiving stations, it helps to exchange data message into smaller unit and appends a header for each unit. This layer controls the activities of session layer. And the next layer is session layer. Fifth layer is session layer. The session layer is actually the of session layer is dialog control. Suppose you want to buy a pen, then first you visit any pen shop. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then some dialogue between you and shopkeeper. First you tell I have need one pen. Then shop owner asks you your budget. Then you tell my budget rupees 10. Then ask how many pens required. Then you tell 2 or 4 pens. Then he or she calculate the price of pen and give pens to you. Then you give money. So many conversation happens between you and shop owner. Okay. In the case of network also, for data communication, for whether the computer is idle or busy, for all some conversation required, this conversation controlled by session layer. So the session layer is the fifth reference model layer. This layer helps to establish, maintain, and terminate a dialogue or a session between two end users. The session layer manages the dialogue between two open systems and ensures that data arrived at both ends of the link is in a meaningful form. The session layer gives support for session connections between open system. This layer manages the dialogue between system and is dependent on the transport layer. And the sixth layer is presentation layer. Presentation layer is the sixth reference model layer. This layer helps to convert encoded transmitted data into displayed form. Actually, data encryption and data decryption. Encryption and description are the main task of presentation layer. Have you any idea what is encryption and decryption? Any idea encryption or decryption?
No, sir, I have no idea.
Any others one? Any idea encryption, decryption?
So may I try
Sir,
first?
I
Tell.
Okay, you go on first, then I will try.
Tell others one. Tell if you want.
Sir, I think encryption is a method by which information is converted into secret code that hides the
Yes.
information.
Okay.
And when the information transferred, then the code is again converted into the normal form, and that is description.
And the authentic user only can decrypt this data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In network, all data available, but all of you not access all data. Okay, because all data in most of the secret data in encrypted form. Only authentic user can decrypt this encrypted data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose in your home, a cable television set-top box. All channel available in this set-top box, but you are not able to view all channels. Only you can see the channels for which you are pay. Okay. So all channel encrypted. Only the valid user can decrypt all encrypted channels.
Yes, sir.
This in the data communication system, encryption and decryption controlled by this control in presentation layer. And the last or seventh layer is application layer. Application layer is the seventh reference model layer. This layer is the highest OSI level. It is the user-oriented level layer. It supports the end user of the network. The service include file transfer, remote file access, database management. This layer also control operating system functions and the end user interface with the system. Application layer protocols control the interaction between different batch file also. These are actually basic protocol OSI model protocol concept. Most probably in your block 3 or 4, when you read, you will know briefly, and now briefly and then descriptively. Now I will tell you one thing. The basic differences between digital signal and analog signal. Another point is analog signal can travel in long distance, but digital signal cannot travel in long distance. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It is the main differences. Suppose with the help of your computer and internet connection, you can download data from the computer which is located in America. How it is possible? I already mentioned computer use only digital signal. I already mentioned digital signal can travel in long distance. So how you can access this data from this long distance? Actually, in data communication system, all data in digital form. When you send or receive data, first data transferred from digital. When you send data, data transferred from digital to analog, and this analog signal travels long distance. And the other end, analog signal transfer from analog to digital, as this the other same computer can read this data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are all about first chapter or first unit of block 1. Now the related thing, second unit 2 and unit 3 I will discuss in my next classes. In these classes I will discuss fourth unit of block 1 because it is some similar and some related. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the fourth unit is communication medium. Okay, just 1 minute. One minute. 1 second. Okay, communication media or transmission media is an important design parameters of any communication system. It is actually a physical path or physical channel, a physical path or physical channel between transmitter and receiver in a data transmission system. It interconnect source with destination. Transmission media is divided into two classes. One is guided media. Someone tell it bounded media. And another one is unguided media. Or unbounded media. So media are of two types. One is guided media or bounded media, and another is unguided media or unbounded media. Guided media or bounded media: twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. The media which we can see and touch, is actually called unguided guided media, like twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. These are guided or bounded media. Guided media, the waves or signals are guided along a solid medium like copper wire. In unguided media, the wave passes through atmosphere and user space. Actually, it is wireless types. Guided or bounded media use electrical cable or optical cables. Electrical cables carry information as electrical signals. Optical cable carry information as optical signals. Light. Bounded media are suitable for short distance communication, and unbounded media are suitable for long distance communication. In unbounded media, there is a serious problem. The signal power decreases exponentially with propagation distance. For this, repeaters are used after few kilometers to increase the signal strength. Characteristics, quality, and data transmission depends on characteristics of the medium and signal. So first, twisted pair. Here, two copper wire, first twisted pair, TWISTED, pair. Pair means two wires twisted with each other. First wire, my skin is visible,
Yes, sir.
and it is second one. Two wires twisted each other like DNA molecule. It is the oldest and most common transmission medium. This is the least expensive and most widely used guided transmission medium. It consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. A wire pair act as a single communication link. A number of these pairs are bundled together in a cable, and then these are covered by a protective layer. Twisted wire may be used to
Sir, you are not audible. Sir,
স্যার লেফট হয়ে গেল তো।
it is obsolete now. These lines are used in communication network throughout the world for both voice and data transmission. Twisted pair is the most common medium for digital signaling also. Twisted pair is less expensive. It is less expensive than coaxial cable. And data transmission rate not very good like rest of the others communication medium. So what are the basic advantages of twisted pair? First one is low cost, inexpensive. Second one is hello. Second one is hello.
Yes.
First one is inexpensive. Second one is advantages of twisted pair.
What?
Second one. Advantages of twisted pair. Second advantage. First
Yes.
one is inexpensive. Second one is easy to install. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can install this cable twisted pair very easily. And disadvantage, it is breakable. Easily break if you twist many times. Then it is good for not good where rain or bad weather. Next, data transmission speed not very good. And the next cable is also twisted pair also are of two types. Okay, twisted pair two types. One is UTP and another is STP. One is UTP and another
Yes,
is
sir.
STP.
Sir, I
UTP
was
means
about to ask,
okay. Tell.
sir, if we use STP, then the problem with the fragility will remove. I mean, as you have just said that twisted pair cable is breakable. So if we use STP, then
Actually, UTP means unshielded. STP is very good quality. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
UTP unshielded twisted pair. One twisted pair. Just use skin is visible,
Yes, sir, visible.
and another twisted pair and another twisted. All these twisted pair are a protective layer over it. It is unshielded twisted pair. STP means all are shielded with a special metal protective layer. Then a plastic cover. Okay. This protective layer decrease different noise, bad others, rest of the others bad signal. Okay. Minimize this noise. STP, shielded twisted pair. Next is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable. It is coaxial cable. What is coaxial cable? A coaxial cable consists of an inner conductor, central carrier wire, and outer conductor. The outer conductor surrounds the inner conductor. The gap between the inner and the outer conductor is filled with solid dielectric material as insulation. And the outer conductor is hollow the cylindrical. The outer conductor is covered with a jacket. The diameter of coaxial cable varies from 0.4 to 1 inch. The problem of interference and crosstalk is less compared to twisted pair. It is suitable for long distance communication and it supports more stations than twisted pair. Coaxial cable look like skin is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. First is solid copper wire. First is solid copper wire. Over it, a insulating material. Most of the cases use PVC, polyvinyl carbonate. After PVC, a copper or aluminum mesh type wires, net type, and over it a plastic jacket. Cable TV wires in your set-top box connect wires. This wire is actually coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is the most versatile transmission media. It has variety of application: television distribution, long distance telephone transmission, short run computer system link, local area network. A cable TV system can carry hundreds of TV channels and connect television of many houses. Coaxial cable is used to transmit both analog and digital signal. Its frequency characteristics are superior to twisted pair. It works efficiently at higher frequency and data transmission rate. For analog signaling, it operates at about 400 megahertz. For digital signaling, repeaters are necessary practically at every kilometer to maintain a higher data transmission rate. It is a combination of high bandwidth and excellent noise immunity data transmission rate. For 1 kilometer to long cable, it is 1 to 2 Gbps. And the next bounded or guided media is optical fiber. Fiber optic communication system is the most significant technological development in data transmission. It is a very thin, flexible medium. It can conduct optical rays. Various glasses and plastics can be used to make optical fiber. Optical fiber is a thin filament type of glass or other transparent material through which a single encoded light beam may be transmitted by means of total internal reflection. So, in optical fiber system, first your data convert from signal, normal signal to light wave, and this light wave pass with this optical fiber cable. You know it that light is very high speed, 1,86 mile, 1,86,000 miles per second. It means light can travel Earth 7 in 1 second 7 times. So it is very high speed. And on the other side, this light wave again transferred to normal signal. This transmitted by means of total internal reflection. With the advent of optical media for transmitting digital signal, a new era in the data communication field has been started. With the use of fiber optic cable, the bandwidth of data transmission has increased. This cable is free from electrical interference and has increased security. Suppose an optical on a twisted pair cable, just you see my skin. My skin is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is computer A, it is computer B. Here you use no optical fiber, twisted pair or coaxial cable. Just nearby this cable, here is very big size transformer and other high electrical devices which can produce electromagnetic waves. electromechanical signals or noises. The signal of this cable may accept it, and the original signal distorted. But if you use optical fiber here instead of coaxial cable or twisted pair cable, I already mentioned in the case of optical fiber, fast data transfer from signal to light, and you know data light cannot affected by magnet. So these types of magnetic wave cannot interference if you use optical fiber. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So light rays are high frequency electromagnetic waves with a short wavelength in the micron range. For optical fiber communication, light is expected to travel through a medium of glass. Glass is used as the conducting medium of high frequency light wave. Glass is an insulator and does not conduct electric signal. In coaxial or twisted pair cable, current may be induced from one metallic wire to another by the magnetic field created by the current in the wire. Light rays propagated are free from these magnetic effects, and these are not affected by magnetic interference and electrical noise. The fiber optic cables are smaller in size and higher in weight. The diameter of a fiber optic cable varies from zero point 0.1 to 0.50 micron, with core size ranging from 5 to 600 micron in distance. These cables can be installed less easily compared to coaxial or twisted pair cables, but their minor drawback is compensated by the other major advantages of the cable. First, an optical fiber cable, very high costly medium. Second, if you for connection, special machine required. So the advantages of optical fiber are more bandwidth capacity, immunity to electromagnetic interference, immunity to electromagnetic pulses from nuclear explosion or others, less sensitive to weather condition, and better security. So very high speed medium. An important disadvantage I already mentioned. The main disadvantage is it is very high costly and special machine or device required for connection. So these are all our basic knowledge about guided or bounded media. Now I will discuss different unguided media or unbounded media. Different unguided media like Bluetooth, radio wave, microwave,
Sir, what's the first name you took?
Bluetooth,
Bluetooth. Okay.
microwave, satellite. You have need just these two. One is microwave and another is satellite. Do you know what is microwave?
So yes, it's a wave with frequencies between 1 and 300 gigahertz, and it is unidirectional.
Use application.
Sir, in microwaves, I mean in oven, in cooking.
Another application
Uh,
also present. All of you use it. Can you tell?
Sir, antenna, when we
Mobile communication.
yes, sir.
All of you use mobile phone. In mobile communication, we use microwave. Okay. Here, just you
Oh,
see. Just you see. Here you use very tall tower. Okay. Here a point and signal. This signal transmitted, suppose this area. Okay. In this point, the signal is very low. Hello.
yes, sir, you're audible.
The signal is very low. So in this area, you install another tower. Another tower. This tower accept this tower. This point accept this signal and amplify this signal and transmit again. In this area, the signal is low again. In this area, the signal is low again. Here you use another tower. Again, it amplify the signal and transmit. So tower to tower, the signal travels from one place to another places. Around these places, just you use one of your mobile phone. You just switch on your mobile phone. Then the signal, this mobile phone will be a part of a network, and you can use it. So very easy. Okay. Suppose in this area, 10,000 mobile phone. Instead of this system, if you connect this 10,000 mobile phone with the help of plain wire, it will not be reliable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First cost is high, but then advantages more. You get advantages more. So in microwave spectrum, waves within the frequency 1 gigahertz to 3,300 gigahertz are called microwaves. Microwave travels in straight lines. Okay. If one tower is in like that and another table is like that, another tower is like that, not possible this communication. So all point will be straight line. Okay. This point, same height and same line. If any high tower, another tower, or any hill area in high hill or any high tree present between these two tower, then this communication completely fail. Okay, and it will be always straight line. So microwave travel in straight lines, and so the transmitter and receiver station should be actually aligned in each other. We know it that the earth is curved in nature. The earth is curved, round in nature. So if you install two towers in same distance, so it is not an easy task. You have need to up and down this tower and align these 2 points properly for point of sight or straight line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So microwave travel in straight lines, and so the transmitter and receiver station should be actually aligned is each other. Microwave propagation is line of sight propagation. So towers hosting the station should be placed show that the curvature of the earth, I already mentioned the earth is curved in nature. The curvature show that the curvature of earth or any other obstacle does not interface with the communication. And the other, since it is unidirectional or unidirectional, since it is unidirectional, it allows multiple receivers in a row to receive the signals without interference. Microwave do not pass through building, through any physical obstacle. So indoor receivers cannot be used effectively. Microwave are often refracted by the atmospheric level layers. The refracted rays take longer time to reach the destination than the direct rays. This cause out of phase transmission called multipath fading. Microwaves need unidirectional antennas to send out signals. Two types of antenna are needed. One is parabolic dish antenna, another is horn antenna. These are not required to know now. Next, another unguided media or unbounded media is satellite communication system. I already mentioned it that in case of microwave signal, these 2 points should be straight. No obstacle, no building or other thing not present between these two. In hill area, point of sight system installation is very difficult. So we use another technology. This technology, in this technology, we keep this portion in very high area. Suppose in space, 36,000 or more kilometer. It is called satellite. Inside this satellite, there are some transponder. Just you send some signal. These satellites catch this signal, transponder amplify this signal, and send this signal to the earth after reflection. And all of the pupils or any others one can receive this signal of this region with the help of disk antenna. Okay, this antenna is like this form. There is a car, and here we use one. My voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Here we use one LNB, and when we use one LNB, the signal from satellite just like that, and after from here it reflect, and for curvature or after reflection the signal in one point you can receive from in one point, and this point you use one thing called LNB, and here you one cable, and here you use one receiver, and with the help of receiver you can catch this signal. Today most of the cable TV system we use satellite system. Here another point, just 1 second. Close, close. No. Can Hello? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell in the whole world for satellite transmission how many satellite required? If you want to transmit how many satellite required? Can you tell? Hello?
No, sir, no idea.
Just you say.
So more than 10,000.
It is Earth. Okay, Earth. Okay. You draw a rectangle. You draw a triangle. If you install 3 satellite just in this 3 position, you can cover the whole world. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So only using 3 satellites, you cover whole world. But for different country, there are different security issues presents. Okay, and their language not suitable for one language of one country not suitable for another country, and their program not suitable for another country peoples. For this, many satellites we use. But if you want to cover data transmission with the help of satellite, only 3 satellites sufficient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Another satellite. Do you know? Have you any idea about geo satellite? Geo satellite. Can
No,
you
sir.
tell
No, sir.
what is geo satellite?
Sir,
Hello.
I can try. Maybe
Tell.
geosatellites are weather used for weather mapping and weather forecast.
No. Any other one try? Suppose it is an earth. Our capital, India. Our capital, New Delhi here. Okay.
Okay,
Here
sir.
is, here is a satellite, Indian satellite. You know the earth is moves. The earth is moves. Okay. So after 1 or 2 hours, after sometimes for moving, it looks like that. It is New Delhi is in here, satellite in here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the satellite is not on, not over the over New Delhi. It may be a problem. To solve this problem, how we can solve it, recover it, this problem?
So matching
Are
the
you telling
speed of the
about
satellite.
We give also
you telling
some
about geostationary satellites?
yes, same geo satellite and geostationary is same. Okay, the moves around and moves, the earth moves, and also in same speed the satellite moves. So always it is over New Delhi. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this satellite is called geostationary satellite or geo satellite. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. So most of the important topics of block 1, unit 1 and unit 4, I think completed. Tomorrow I will discuss chapter unit 3 and unit 4. Now if you have any queries, you can ask me about network of these 2 units. Any questions?
No, sir.
Now I will highlight some topics of these 2 units which are very important for your examination. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please. Thank
First,
you.
first
Yes, sir.
difference between analog signal and digital signals. Okay. Difference between asynchronous and synchronous. In which data transmission.
Sir, please go a little slow, sir, please.
Okay. Now open, just I share my screen and try to show you your study mat. Just wait. Stop sharing your entire screen. Okay. Screen is visible now. Your study mat.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes. Block 1, Unit 1, Basic of Data Communication. You just see here this portion. Difference between digital and analog signal. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, data communication mode: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. This portion. Network protocol standard. You will read it from you block 2 or block 3. Okay. Here just give briefly discuss here. And another is synchronous and asynchronous. From this chapter only these are sufficient for your examination. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now unit 4. Unit 4. Just you wait, unit 4. It is unit 4. It is unit 4. Communication media. I already mentioned here serial parallel, guided media and unguided media, two-stage pair, UTP, STP, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, and unguided media, microwave or satellite. Or some connector already we use from one computer to another computer. From one computer to another computer, we use cable. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
The two ends of these two cable, we use a special types of connector. Okay, this connector is called RJ45 connector. This if you punch this connector in two ends of cable, then this two end of this cable you can connect easily. Just back side of your computer RJ45 port. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see minutely, back side of your computer or left side of your laptop, you can easily identify RJ45 port. And RJ40 and from one computer to another computer, one cable, and the both end of this cable we use RJ45 connector. You punch it with special devices. Okay, and if you punch these two RJ45 connector in two ends, then you can easily connect these two connected computer for networking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, today's class up to this. Just wait. Just wait. Stop recording.